Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this version of Vanguard requires a secure boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant. Alright, this one's pretty easy to fix. All you need to do is just enable some settings on your BIOS. Now, if you don't know what your BIOS or motherboard is, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in system information. Alright, once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it and this particular page will open. Now what you're going to do next is just locate the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. All right, as you can see here, I have an ASRock B550M Pro 4. So what we're going to do with that information is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in enable Secure Boot on ASRock B550M Pro 4 and hit enter. All right. As you can see here, there are a lot of videos here suggesting how to enable Secure Boot or TPM 2.0 on your particular BIOS. All right, you'll see a lot of articles right here as well. All right, as you can see here, there's an AI overview right here that you can try as well. So what you're gonna do basically is just restart computer. All right, restart. Now once it starts to open, just go ahead and press F2 or delete to enter the BIOS setup. All right, go to boot and set CSM to disabled. Press F10 to save this, the configuration changes. Go to security and select secure boot. Set secure boot mode to custom. Select install default secure boot keys and press yes. Set secure boot to enabled. Press F10 to save configuration and restart computer. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.